Hello familia and welcome back to another video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And here we have our wonderful staff. We have Dr. Mendez, our lead physician, as well as some medical assistants and our nurse. And we are now starting to create the COVID care packages by adding soap, liquid IV packages to help rehydrate our patients with COVID. We included masks, medications. And so here Ellie is just dividing the vitamin D so we have enough for all our packages. And Yarly here is just being goofy. He was also helping separate the medications. Erica is adding the stickers that we got from Healthyhood Shy, who is helping distribute the packages as well as provide some stuff for them, and Leslie was adding our clinic information. We also started creating our own little Ziploc bags with Gatorade powder to help rehydrate our patients because we ran out of liquid IV. So it was a lot of work to count each of the pills and to make sure we had the right amount in each bag. But it's all going to be worth it when our patients feel better. So after a few hours of working, we sat down and had some pizza and just relaxed for a little bit. And here's Vida looking really cute right before she attacked me for my pizza. Okay, and so this is a final product. We have the stickers from Healthyhood Shy, instructions on how to take the medications we included, such as like Tylenol and medications for nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. We included soap, several masks. We have KN95 masks as well as fabric masks. Again, liquid IV to stay rehydrated. We also included information on our clinic in case they aren't already our patients. And so this is a team that helped put together our packages today, and I want to thank them so much for taking time out of their day to help us. And also a special shout out to Healthyhood Shy, who has donated quite a bit of money and is helping us distribute the packages.